How to send Sui from Sui Wallet to Binance. First of all, you're going to have to open up your Sui Wallet and make sure you have certain amount that you can send to Binance centralized exchange. Once you have the amount, it's going to cost you some transaction fee or gas fee as well, so make sure that your existing amount covers that as well. Now you can just tap on send. Now once you do that, you can select your Sui coins and then from there select the amount. And as you can see here, in order to get the estimated gas fees, you're going to have to add a recipient address. For that, open up Binance Centralized Exchange, and then from here, go to Add Funds. Once you tap on Add Funds, go to Deposit Crypto, and then search for Sui Coins. Tap on it, and then choose your network. Then you'll get your deposit address right here. Just copy the address and go back to your Sui wallet and paste the address here. And if the address is valid, you should be able to see your gas fee as well. Now tap on review, and once this is done, you can just tap on send now, and you can find it directly on Binance after sending. So just head over to your Binance application, and there you should be able to find your newly added sweet coins on your fundings. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.